But yeah, the stove is roaring away. Night time is drawing in. Let's get some food on the go, eh? Although it never hurts to get your priorities sorted. Cheers. It's time to cook. I'll talk you through what's on the agenda. Eggs. There's a baggie there with some chopped vegetables in, some spray oil, cheese, and the Ridgemonkey. Have you worked it out? Omelette. So first of all, we'll get the Ridgemonkey set up. There we go. A little bit of oil on there. As you can see, that's already warming up. Get some of these vegetables frying off. So what we've got in here is some mushrooms, all chopped, pre-chopped, some peppers, onion and some olives. So this is going to be a bit of a fat omelette, I reckon. A little bit more wood in stove. Oh yeah, it's frying off nicely. Just to make sure it doesn't burn, what I'm going to do is I am going to close this and flip it so that then both sides of the pan warm. Yeah, because that's starting to cook. That's the one of the great things about these Ridgemonkeys is you can't necessarily flip everything all the time, but you can just flip the pan. It's starting to smell good already. Cheers! Just have to watch for these handles a little bit. They are kind of plasticky. I don't know what they're made of. Obviously it's some kind of heat resistant composite, but I don't want to push my luck. That's frying down nicely, smells good. I added some salt and pepper to the bag and shook it before I sealed the bag before I brought it out. It just saved me bringing any seasonings with me. Now of course I could close the lid to make that cook quicker. Problem with that is it'll seal the moisture in, and I want to kind of reduce this down a little bit, especially with it having mushrooms in. You know what mushrooms are like, they're just full of moisture. It's starting to work. But let's Keith Floyd it. I think we'll flip it again. Olives are all gathered in one place, don't want that, do we? Right, in the comments, do you like olives? Bit of a Marmite subject, isn't it, olives? Tell me in the comments if you like them or not. Black olives, I think, are nicer. They're not quite as, don't know, green olives have a stronger taste. I like them both though. While that's cooking away, we'll get some cheese chopped. 4 slices should do it. Ooh, missed a bit. Got to get that bit at the bottom, haven't you? That's reduced down nicely now. Let's just flip it and have a look at the other side. That smells like the onions are starting to caramelise. Get that nice sweet flavour from them in the omelette. Yeah. Mushrooms are browning off. A little bit longer. Get those peppers a little bit softer. But in the meantime, oh, that's looking good. Quite happy with that. What do you reckon? I think it's time for the eggs. What I've done is I've broken a couple of eggs into here. I'm actually just going to close that off and flip it. Yeah, it's starting to overcook. Right. Omelette eggs. Right, let's just get that nicely spread out. That's nicely reduced, got rid of all the moisture. Oh yeah. There we go, look at that. It's looking alright, isn't it? What do you reckon? Add a little bit of filth to it, eh? I am going to cook this on here because I just think it'll be worth it. There we go. Just let the other side cook for a little bit. The stove's gone a bit quiet. Let's fire that up. I'm just going to close that for a second. See, the cheese has started to melt. I haven't even flipped the pan yet. Let's flip that over now. Is that looking good or what? Oh wow. Yeah, this side it looks kind of naked. Oh, you see, it doesn't look naked anymore, does it? Needs a bit of decoration, a bit of dressing up. There we go. Yeah, now we're talking. Right, I think the fat from the cheese is starting to leak out of the Ridgemonkey. So I'm gonna flip this. Oh, look at that filth. Oh yeah. Let's spread that about. The other side cook. And a little bit of this, I think. Oh. Oh, look at that. Oh, cheesy, toasty goodness. Gotta love a Ridgemonkey. I'm going to call that done. What do you think of that for a steaming plate of campsite goodness? I'm going in. It looks really good. Oh, it's horrible. Horrible. You wouldn't like it. Oh no. Well, while I finish off this vile product of my own endeavours. Oh, it's horrible. I hope you've enjoyed this little video. First time I've done this. I'm actually quite chuffed with the outcome. It's really nice. Obviously nutritious. Really good. If you like what I've done here and you like what I'm doing, give the video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Costs you nothing. What you got to lose? All it means is you get a notification whenever I've uploaded any content, and that's only when you open up YouTube. Pretty awesome, I think. Anyway, that's all for now. I'm going to polish this horrible thing off because I've nothing else to eat. You take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Cheerio. I have no words to describe how good that was. No words.